Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my Christmas cookie recipe, sugar cookies and royal icing. And we'll be using cute little cookie cutters like these. These ones though I had gotten from Home Goods, and with these awesome bowls, $9.99 each. I think they're so adorable. I'm just going to put little cookie sets together in here with some disposable bags and these little number 3 round tips to decorate with the royal icing and the meringue powder. I'll leave all of my recipes for the sugar cookies and for the royal icing in the description. I'm going to make cute little labels for these, and then we'll wrap them in cellophane wrapping. I think they'll turn out super cute. It'll be great for gift ideas. My daughter and son-in-law got this for me from Mexico, so if you ever go to Mexico, grab this vanilla. It is the best. It tastes delicious. My brother-in-law's mom bakes a lot and uses this, and that's where we got the idea, so make sure to get this. If you don't have this, that's okay. Just get vanilla extract. Royal icing. You can get this meringue powder at Walmart. I got these number 3 round tips. Just got the tiny little hole in it. And then these disposable decorating bags. It's got 12 of them in it. And we're not gonna use these little things here. Pardon my nails, they just all started falling off. You just stick this inside the bag before you fill it, and then it works great. So that's what we're gonna do here, and I will leave the royal icing recipe for you guys. These all 3 at Walmart, but I will look them up on Amazon. I'm sure they have the exact same thing, and I'll link them in the description so that you guys can just grab them and not have to worry about running to the store. Need red, green, black, tan, brown, and white. And we've got all these little tips. I'm gonna put a couple of really cute Christmas gifts together for neighbors or family, friends, whatever. I found this here, this cute bowl at Home Goods, and I just had to get it. I got two so I could do 2 sets, but I just love it and I think it's so cute. So we're gonna do this, and then I'm gonna add my sugar cookie recipe and my royal icing recipe. I'm gonna make some cute little cards. I haven't done that yet. I got these cute cookie cutters. And we'll just layer them all in the bowl really cute. And then we're gonna use some cellophane wrap to just wrap it up cute with a cute little bow on the top. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're gonna get our bowl. I got this stuff from the dollar store. It's just shredded, decorative shred is what it's called. But I'm gonna go with a cute brown color. I just think it looks nice. Powdered sugar, I'm just gonna add that to the back. And both of these are great value. I got them from Walmart. I think this gift is under $25. And then baking powder. And I can link all this stuff down below on the Amazon links. And then we'll stick these. And then I got some pure vanilla extract. And 2 of these number 3 round tips. They've got tiny little holes, so they're perfect to do the royal icing with. And we'll just stick those in there cute. And then these bags, the piping bags, they came in a set of 12, but I just got the 2 tips and these 2 so I could do them in different sets. So I'm just gonna wrap this up cute and just stick it in the basket. I'm gonna make sure that there's enough room here at the top to scrunch it all together to put a bow. Scrunch there, just so that it has a nice rippled look. I found this cute little ornament thing here from Walmart. And I'm just gonna hang that off the top. I think it looks super cute with this bowl. I think that turned out super duper cute. And I think it'll be a great gift. So on the top here, I'm just gonna add my little recipe card. I haven't done that yet, but I'm just gonna hook that here and have it hang for my sugar cookie and royal icing recipe. I'll link that in the description if you guys would like to try. I'll show you guys a couple of fun clips of our family doing our holiday Christmas cookies. It's a tradition for us. We do it every year. We usually do it on Christmas Eve as well. And I've also decided to do some cute little hot cocoa bombs with some hot chocolate. So, but look how cute this cute little cookie basket turned out. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.